Hey pretty people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been so many days since I posted my last YouTube video, but I've been caught up in some very busy work actually, so sorry for that. But in today's video, we are going to talk about one of my favorite topics, which is manifestation. Have you ever noticed how some people seem to get everything they want in their life? The opportunities, the right people, the dream life. It's like things just magically fall into place for them. What if I told you that it's not luck, it's manifestation? And before you roll your eyes and think this is some wish to the universe and it magically appears sort of thing, well, that's not actually how it works. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how manifestation actually works, how I personally use it, and how you can use it too to manifest the things that you really want. And trust me, once you understand this, you'll start seeing the results everywhere. First, let me clear up the biggest misconception. Manifestation is not magic. You're not sitting in a room saying, I want a Lamborghini, and it magically appearing outside your house. Manifestation is actually about aligning your thoughts, your emotions, and your actions to the reality that you want to create for yourself. Everything starts in the mind. Okay, think about it like this. Every big thing in the world, every company, invention, or success story started as a thought in someone's mind. Someone imagined it first, then they believed in it, and then they acted on it. That's basically manifestation in action. Your brain is constantly filtering reality. There are millions of things happening around you every second, but your brain only focuses on the things that it believes is important. Like for example, have you ever noticed that when you start liking a specific car, you start seeing that car everywhere? It didn't magically appear. Your brain just started noticing it more. Manifestation works in a similar way. When you truly believe that something is possible for you, your brain begins to take the right actions, focus on opportunities, make better decisions, and attract the right people. And slowly, your reality starts changing. Now let me tell you how I personally manifest things. I keep it very simple. I just follow 3 main steps. Be very clear about what you want. Most people fail at manifestation because they are vague. They say things like, I want to be happy, I want to be successful, I want my dream life. But what that actually even means? Instead, you need to be specific. For example, instead of saying that I want to be successful, you could say, I want a YouTube channel that reaches thousands of people and inspires them daily. The clearer the vision, the easier it is for your brain to move towards it. Feel like it's already happening. Okay, this is the part where most people get uncomfortable. You have to emotionally connect with the future you want. Okay, so close your eyes and imagine, how does your life look like? How do you feel waking up in that life, and what kind of people are around you? Your brain cannot perfectly distinguish between vivid imagination and the reality that you experienced. So when you repeatedly visualize your desired reality, your brain slowly starts accepting it as something normal for you. And when something feels normal, you naturally move towards it. Take aligned action. This is the step that people ignore. Manifestation is not passive. You still have to move. For example, if you want to be a successful creator but you never post anything, then manifestation won't help you. But if you believe in your vision and take small actions every day, things start building up for you. 1 video becomes 10 videos. 10 videos become an audience, and an audience becomes an opportunity. That's manifestation plus action. Sometimes people say, I tried manifestation but nothing happened. But actually, manifestation works in small signs first. For example, you meet someone who helps you. An idea just pops up in your head. Opportunities start appearing. Things start feeling easier. These are the signs that you are moving into the right direction. Manifestation is not always instant. Sometimes it's like planting a seed. You water it, you take care of it, and eventually it grows. The biggest manifestation mistake is doubt. People say they want something, but inside their mind they're thinking, this probably won't ever happen for me. Your brain sends mixed signals. Manifestation works the best when your belief is bigger than your doubt. That doesn't mean that you'll never feel uncertain. It just means that you keep choosing belief anyway. If If you want to start today, try this simple routine. It takes less than 5 minutes. Every morning, think about one thing that you want to manifest. Close your eyes and visualize it for 1 to 2 minutes. Feel the emotions as if it's already happening. Ask yourself one question. What is one small thing that I can do today to move closer to my goal? Then proceed to do that action. Do it daily and you'll start noticing the changes yourself. Manifestation is not about controlling the universe. It's about controlling your mindset, your emotions, and your actions. When those three things align, your life begins to shift. Once you see manifestation work even once, your belief becomes stronger. And when your belief becomes stronger, your results start getting bigger. So start small, start today, and watch what happens. And if you enjoyed this video and want more content about mindset, self-growth, and creating your dream life, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.